It's sleeper money, baby.
Talk to your rheumatologist.
Hey, Rokk Smith here with USA Digi and ronnierokksmith.com. How are you today? I am doing fine and awesome as always. And in this video, we're going to be reviewing a brand new product called Sleeper Money. Now, this product was put out by Cam Jennings, a fellow marketer and friend of mine, and this product is specifically on one thing, and that is affiliate marketing. Now, just a note here, if you hear high winds within my mic, I'm by my window here of my house, and Hurricane Barry is currently passing through the area. So if you hear some high winds, that's what that is. If you hear some knocking, maybe the trees falling or whatnot. But I should be fine. I'm in a brick home here, so I should be okay. So we're going to talk about my bonus later because I was undecided while I'm currently making this video on which one I wanted to deliver. I checked my database and I couldn't really find something that was, congruent with this product. So what I'm going to do is it's going to be one or the other thing, and I'll tell you about that a little bit more later on. And if this is your first time here, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And remember to click that notification bell so you can get notified when I post new videos just like this one. So let's go ahead and check out this text doc that I created here, which basically go over the main points of the product. Basically, Sleeper Money is 50 little known cash generating affiliate programs that are hiding right under your nose, right? So again, this launched on July 12th, that was yesterday. And basically, here's the things that you're going to be getting within the training course. So you're going to be getting the official cheat sheet, which is the actual 50 plus programs that all pretty much pay up to 8K in affiliate commissions. So that's pretty awesome. Also going to get the official Sleeper Money 7 video training series, and that's all going to be included as well. And it's also going to show you how to take advantage of the cheat sheet without wasting any time. You're also going to get the official mind map, and basically what it does is outline the video training so you can pretty much follow along at your own pace, right? Here's a list of benefits that I put together. So you're getting complete list of all of the sources, right? You're going to get the affiliate sign up links so you can just click on those and it'll take you to that page. You can check out the affiliate program and all of that good stuff. You're also going to get the list of the benefits of each affiliate program. I think it's in an XLS spreadsheet for y'all. I'm not sure because on my end I just have review access, so I'm not sure. It also shows the commission rates and also something really cool, the cookie length times, how long the cookies are good for. And if you're new and not sure what a cookie is, it's not something you eat. It's a specific line of code within a website or a link we call pixels that is attached to that link. So let's say, for instance, you have an affiliate link with a pixel length time of 30 days. Some of them could be lifetime cookie lengths. Some could be for 14 days, 7 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, what have you. It just depends on the vendor and how they set that up. But that's good to know because if you're spending money advertising that link and someone else is promoting that same product and they also had access to the person that you had within your list, if they click their link, well, they're going to get the commission. If they click your link within that cookie frame and they're on someone else's list, you're still going to get the commission. See what I mean? So it's very important to know these things. Let's take a look at the sales page here. So 50 little known cash generating affiliate programs hiding right under your nose, right? Just scroll down, check out the video. This will explain everything. Again, I said that this is specifically pertaining to affiliate marketing. Now, you're not only going to be getting the front end here, you're also going to be getting some bonuses. And these are some previous courses that Cam created on affiliate marketing. And I know this because I purchased these actual 2 products here before when I was just starting to get to know Cam to see what kind of training he had and whatnot. So all of his stuff was really good to me, in my opinion, and well done and well put together. He's a really good teacher and he's very laid back and he's a very likable guy, right? And that tells me that he's very into helping people. And you can really genuinely tell someone that's actually trying to just make money online or if they're actually trying to help people. Cam is one of those guys that actually wants to help people, and I salute him for that. That's awesome. There's a lot of marketers out there, including myself, that we really are trying to help you guys, make money online and get to the status that we are today. I mean, that's just how we are, And that's the kind of people you should be trying to learn from, guys. People that actually want to help you. So let's go ahead and scroll down the page here a little bit. At this current time that I'm reviewing this product, the price is $10.80. So it's not bad, right? but the price is rising, guys. So if you're interested in learning about affiliate marketing, go ahead, do yourself a favor, pick up this product. You won't regret it. It's very good training. I went through everything myself personally, and I think that it's really, really good. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at my review copy here. So this is, I think, pretty much how it's going to look on your end. I'm not sure if he's distributed it through his website or if you're going to get a PDF with the links like this. I'm not sure. But this will give you a basic idea of what it's going to look like. You get a special downloadable edition, so I'm pretty sure that it's going to be the same for you, right? Just don't distribute it. These copies, guys, you paid for it. How to download the course videos. Okay, you have all the links to the videos. You have 7 videos in the training area here, and part 1 is the cheat sheet, so 2 parts, right? Okay, then you have Sleeper Money Launch Week bonuses, some links here, some recommended resources, and that's it. Okay, cool. So pretty straightforward, right? The fuck's wrong with you, light? My light was acting retarded on me. I had to fix it. I was getting a strobe light in here, man. At the club, man. It was at the club, my strobe light, man. So let's talk about the exclusive bonus that I'm going to be giving you if you pick up Sleeper Money using my link. So if you're watching this on YouTube, just check in the description under this video and find the link in there. If you're watching this on my website, just click on the blue button under this video. That'll take you to the checkout page. Once you check out, log into your Warrior Plus account. Look on the top right-hand corner for your name. There should be a little drop-down box. Click that. Look for Purchase History. Okay, once you get in purchase history, you're going to look for the product that you just bought, which is Sleeper Money, and the page is going to look like this. Then you just click on the blue button to access my bonuses. Now, the bonus will be 1 or 2 things. I was undecided at the time of making this video review. The first thing you may find, which will be both, they're going to be PDFs with a link, okay? So the first thing you may find is access to my Facebook group, and inside this group, which there's nothing in there right now, I created the group just for this launch if I decide to go that route. What you're going to find as soon as it fills up after this launch is over, once I get enough people in there, I'm going to start populating it, okay, with free training. You're going to get inside secrets that I learned because I'm in a circle with 7-figure earner gurus, right? Brendan Mace, Jono Armstrong. Okay, so whatever I learned from them, I can teach you guys as well. That'll help you out. So that's what the group's going to be about. I'm going to do some live videos in there as well, and you can ask me any kind of questions you may have, and I'll try to answer those questions in the best possible way. So the second thing that you may find once you click that blue button could be in the PDF. If you click that link, it may take you to give you access to my course that I created last year called the Flash Method. Okay, you may have that in there, and don't worry about it. It was created last year, but it's an evergreen product. In fact, I'm still using that right now today to this very moment. I have clients in there that order from me all the time. Okay, so basically, like I said, you're going to be getting one or the other. Either access to my Facebook group, or you're going to be getting the free course of the Flash Method. So that about wraps up this video on Sleeper Money. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that this video helps you make an educated decision on whether or not you think this is something that's a good fit for your business. I'm Ronnie Rocksmith with USA Digi and ronnierokk.com. Thanks for your time and interest. And guys, happy marketing. Oh! All the blood is rushing to my head. Hurry up. Click another video.